Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, I'm going to set up a beautiful black and gold table setting. I'm going to set it today as a fall table, but if you're watching the video and you don't want it for fall look, you can always remove the fall items and use it for any other occasion. And guys, today I'm going to use those two placemats. Guys, to be honest with you, I love them. Just trust the process and you're going to see how everything turns out. And today is a video collab with Love Casa. Guys, they sent me those beautiful sets. Oh my god, I love them so much. With this holiday season coming, guys, you need something like that. You really do. The box come with a set of 4, but for my family size, guys, I always buy 2 sets whenever they come in 4. And guys, as you know, the holiday season, you cannot make your guests jealous. That's why one set is not gonna be enough. I can promise you, it's so beautiful. And as you can see, guys, I always picky about my packaging. If something is not packaged well, if I really need it, I'll keep it, but I will not buy from this company anymore. But guys, as you see, they take out the items are well packed. As you can see, the mugs, they are so beautiful with the gold and the black. Everything's so very nice. And guys, very beautiful. I'm not going to use the mugs on the video today. Guys, please stay tuned so you can see how I set up my table with mugs, but not this video today. That's the way deep inside the box look like. I'm going to give you a closer look at everything. And guys, as you can see, super well packed. And I love the way they pack everything. And the plates are so beautiful, guys. Don't take my word for it. And you need to try those plates and to see what I'm talking about. Guys, everything that I use in this video, I'm going to try my best to leave links in the description box down below, including the link of this beautiful set. Those are the dining plates and they're super gorgeous, super gorgeous. I love them so much, guys. You know, I always make my black and gold setting, guys. Oh my god. And guys, you need to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss my videos, because I'm going to show you so many ways to set up your table with those gorgeous plates. The salad plates, and all of them are so beautiful. Those are the soup bowl or cereal bowl, I don't know, however you guys call it. Guys, super gorgeous. I love them so much. Okay guys, let's go back to the video and keep on watching. I got the placemats from Mat. Guys, they not thick at all. They're very thin. But I like them. I just buy them just to decorate for the look, black, gold or silver, whatever I'm doing. If you're looking for something very durable or thick, this is not for you. But me, since I don't use them on the regular basis, that's why I buy them. I record this video around 2 in the morning after work. And guys, if you want to see how I record my video, keep on watching. Guys, this is my second collab, and this company sent me this light and I really like it. It's a work light and helped me so much because I moved to a new apartment. In this apartment, the light is super bad since the table is by the window, and in the morning I cannot do nothing. And this work light comes super handy, help me out a lot. And guys, as you can see, you can do a 360, turn it, look at the back, come in manual instruction and everything. Very nice, very convenient, portable, and you can put it in the back of your car or everything. But me, most time I use it to make my video, and it's a working light, but YouTube is my work, so work out for the best for me. Okay guys, as you can see, you can fold it, unfold it, and the material is very sturdy. As you can see, has a very nice extension cord. And guys, it's kind of long enough, and you can always use an extra extension cord for any light that you're working with, and got a power on and off, very convenient. And guys, this is my son outside, help me. It was super dark, guys, like around 2 in the morning. Yes, and the boys were helping me. It's weekend, there wasn't no school, and that's when it's dark, as you can see, dark and light. I have plenty of light, but I don't have no room to set up my light. Whenever I'm making my videos, always a problem. And I say big thank you to this company. That's the way I set it to make my videos. Guys, I really love this light. Super, super handy for me. I love it so much. The link will be in the description box down below. Okay guys, let's finish this video and keep on watching. I always take some time to welcome everyone that's new to this channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, product review, and weekly vlog. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so right now. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. I could never be where I am without you. I'm truly grateful for all of you guys, and keep on watching. Guys, be sure to check the description box down below. I'm going to leave everything for you there. Whenever you buy from my link, help out the channel a lot. Thank you so much for helping me out. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moi. Si vous la première fois, moi dis bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille aux amis. Dans vidéo ça m'a ba une idée qui j'ai nous ka décorer une table en salle à manger noir et l'or. So si nous aimez vidéo, nous aimez j'aimerais s'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner avec channel là et puis partager li. Et ça n'a aidé moi en pile pour me grandir, aller plus loin. Si ce n'est pas la première fois, je vous dis merci en pile pour le support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos. On aime nous en pile. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Dans cette vidéo, vous allez voir comment je décore ma salle à manger noir doré. Et si vous aimez, n'oubliez pas de me laisser un petit commentaire en français, ça me fait un grand plaisir. Et à tous mes abonnés, merci beaucoup pour votre support, je vous aime beaucoup. I ordered the pumpkins last year from Z Gallery, and guys, take me more than 6 months before I can receive them. And I did an unboxing with it, guys, so if you haven't seen the video, I'm going to leave it up there for you. I didn't want to use them now. I was saving them to use in my new home, but those plates are so beautiful. It's worth it. This vase from Ross, and I bought it last year, and whenever I have my stuff, I always save them for a right occasion, for the perfect occasion, if I may say it like that. And guys, now I'm adding my pampa grass, as you already see, And guys, the best part about it, I'm going to use my Z Gallery box. And I have this one for quite time, but I never use them. Today's the time for me to unbox all my beautiful stuff because I have a beautiful set. I wanted to use the big one, but it take away the beauty of my vase, so I have to remove it, put the smaller one. And guys, this is how it look like right now. I think I'm in love with it. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to smash me with some thumbs up and share it. And guys, everything turns out so beautiful. So let me know what do you think. If you like it the way I do, you know what to do. My wine glasses from the thrift store, both of them, the black and the white, do I have a little gold on it, make it so gorgeous. The napkin rings from the thrift store, I just spray paint them. The candle holders from Ross. As you can see guys, this little gadget is so powerful, I don't even have the light turned on, and you can see how powerful it is. I like it so much. If you are doing YouTube, or even if you're not doing YouTube, this one could be super helpful. As you can see, the light and my chandelier is not on, and you can see it turned very nice. I record this video, it was on like I start at 1 in the morning, and I always prefer recording my video at night because of the window. My table is by the window, the sunlight always on my way. I record in the morning because of the sun. I couldn't record at night because of the light. So right now it's perfect. Dining plates, oh my god, they're so beautiful. And I got my pillow covers from Shane. Guys, my candle holder from Ross. My vase or the flower from Home Goods, and the flowers from Michael's. The little ponies from Shane, the big one from Michael's, and the greenery from Michael's. It's a combination of flowers. I have in total together a lot of them, a lot flowers. So guys, because I love my vase to be full. So if you like the video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And guys, that's the day version. I just want to show you how the light blow me over. I have more than 10 window panels, including 6 shears, 2 silver and 4 semi shears, and I add window film. Still have problem with the window, as you can see the light. And guys, I want my videos to look as professional as possible, so I'm so happy with the small light. So guys, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box down below. If you want to buy it, just don't hesitate. Okay Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.